Okay, hi. Court session. Okay, do you see how fast I came here? Okay, do you see like I'm literally shaking? Okay, that's how into this. Okay, I've been. Okay, y'all better come. Seriously. Law and Crime Network. Okay. Y'all, I'm a little too crazy. Like,
how to escape the heat.
I'm too crazy. Oh my god, I'm too crazy. I'm going nuts.
Anytime before.
Okay, y'all, I'm trying to connect this. I'm trying to connect. How do you share screen again? I'm trying to connect. Y'all, don't say that I didn't tell y'all, because I did.
You who are just tuning in, because we have new people logging on every minute as we get closer and closer, literally 1 minute away from 3 o'clock. Johnny Depp, we have been told by sources close to him, obviously is not going to be here. He's not there now. He is still in the UK after doing a series of surprise performances with Jeff Beck. He is...
Okay, y'all, where are y'all? Anyways, can we say that I was right? I literally said this is not going to take forever. There's no way it's going to take forever. Damn, they only took like 2 days. Exactly, literally my prediction. Because but you know what? I'm literally losing my mind. Okay, if anybody else has been into this as much as me, actually, there's a lot of us that have been into this as much as me. If you've been into this as much as me, then you better know what we're here for. You better know why we are literally going crazy. Okay, there's a whole reason why we're going crazy. Okay, here the judge is here, y'all. She's here. I'm surprised you guys are not here, but it's because it's literally abrupt. They only posted 15 minutes before. Actually, no, because they give like a whole hour.
If I could have the attorney's approach for a moment.
Amber Heard is here alone. Guys, she looks so upset. But where are y'all? I'm not talking to none of y'all later. Don't even try to talk to me because we're not friends. We're not. Anyways, I'm so anxious. I'm so anxious. Guys, Amber looks like she got hit by a truck and had to be here. Yeah. Did I mute it or is it actually muted? Okay, yeah, it's actually muted.
All right, again, you're looking live in... Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what I need you to do, I need to give the forms back to you. When you find for a defamatory statement, one or more, you need to fill out the compensatory damages. It has to be at least $1 for compensatory damages and up to whatever you feel the damages should be.
Is it me?
Back to the operation room and do that for me, okay?
Guys, why am I anxious as if I'm the one in court?
All right, so we'll be in recess till we hear back from them. Don't go too far, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. All right.
Well, just as we were telling you, this could wrap up in just about 10 minutes by 3:10, 3:15. Not so fast. There was a little sidebar going on with the attorneys in the front. Apparently, the jurors didn't fill out the damages section. The judge now sending them back to complete this special verdict form, literally like a worksheet that they need to fill out. They didn't put in the damages. Linda, what do you make of that?
Well, Stacey, it means somebody won this case, that somebody won their defamation claims, right? Now, the fact that they didn't fill out the compensatory damage.
Hi, Penny. I'm glad you are here because nobody else is. Actually, there's 4 of you, but like nobody else says hi at least. So what do you think about this? What do you think? Told y'all that they would come to this quicker than later. So yeah, I'm actually really nervous. I think you probably saw how crazy this started. I was like literally like being a little bit crazy. 8 of you, damn, say hi and tell me your thoughts. What do you think? What do you think? We've literally come to the home stretch, and yeah. I was kind of happy that it was going to be over, but now that's probably going to take a while. You don't know what is happening? It's time for the verdict. Although like we have a little hiccup because they did not fill out the damages section clearly. I don't know if you heard that. So the judge sent them back, so they have to fill that out. But the verdict is coming like today in like a few minutes. I don't know how long it would actually take them to fill it out. I don't know if all of them have to fill it out or just one of them, because if it's just one of them, then it should be pretty quick. If it's all of them, then I don't know. So yeah, let me go back on there and see what they're talking about.
Discharge it in bankruptcy, assuming it's against her. We're making a lot of assumptions. Maybe it's against him and it's $1. Who knows? But the likelihood is that with a $1 verdict, the jury may just want to be sending a message for whoever wins. And again, we're assuming it's Johnny Depp, but it also could be Amber Heard because she was seeking damages. Maybe they found for her, but not giving them damages. We just don't know.
Yeah, we just don't know. I mean, this should be relatively quick, I would think, right? For them, if they've already decided on this and it was just an oversight that they didn't put anything in or didn't know that they had to write something. So, they hopefully will be back in a few minutes. As we've been telling our viewers and more are turning in, the verdict has not been read yet. Just to bring everyone up to speed, here's what happened. Right at 3 o'clock on the dot, the judge, she is very punctual. She came in.
Penny's like, psh, she ain't have no damages except her own mental damage. LOL. Dude, you never know. Dude, this could go one of 2 ways. Okay, this could go one of 2 ways. And like they even said she could they could have found out she had damages, right? Especially since like we discussed yesterday, her team brought up the fact that public opinion at Justice for Johnny Depp, Amber Heard, bringing that all in kind of makes them biased because they're not supposed to know anything about what's going on outside. Public opinion, blah 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 blah. So yeah, so I don't know. I'm just waiting. Like I just want the verdict to be read so that we know the verdict. Then I'm a capiche and leave, and then I'll be back obviously at 7:30 tonight. So we can actually talk about it more in depth. But they gotta hurry up. They gotta hurry up because I ain't got the time. I ain't got the time to sit here all day waiting for the verdict. But the rest of you guys, let me know your opinion. Let me know your opinion. Can't leave everything to Penny every time. Let me go back and see.
And if they did perhaps see that, I mean, would that be an issue? Would there be any sort of violation of rules or any ethics issues if they saw it before it was read out publicly in court?
Absolutely. Quite frankly, they have a right to see it and to tell their clients. So no, there's no violation. They have to know when the jury has filled
out. Penny is like, we're being jury teased, right? Literally, I feel like, are they doing this on purpose? First of all, isn't there like some sort of process where like they check that these things are done before telling us the verdict's gonna be read? Like, if y'all know how fast I jumped, it would be like worth a movie like to come here. I was literally like shaking. I'm like, I don't want to be late. I don't want to miss a minute. Like, I was like literally running as fast as I can to be here. So yeah. They better reach this verdict. ASAP. Okay. First of all, it's so loud. Like, wherever they're recording this from, y'all, it's too loud. But let's get back to that.
Hanging out outside, trying to keep cool. As soon as we found out the verdict was coming, well, quickly, all the media assembled in their spots, and we started to see more and more cars pull up into the parking lot, more fans come outside.
Oh, something else I actually want to talk about, guys. Take it, and Johnny Depp isn't even here. he's still in London. Like, does this man not care to this point that he's not even here to like have his verdicts read? But he probably knows that he's gonna win or that he's gonna lose. That's probably why. Or maybe he had other things to do, but what's more important than hearing the verdict of your case? Right? Y'all, let me know. And I'm gonna get back to the whole thing. I'm kind of pissed. Like, it's 10 minutes prior. Like, all the adrenaline that I just had in my body literally just... He has a tour to get back, doesn't he? He has hour to get back, doesn't he? What do you mean hour? Do you mean tour or actually hour, like time? Yeah, let me know, Penny. And the rest of y'all, hi, hello. What you guys think? I'd like to know your opinion. Let's go back and see what's going on. How long is this gonna take, man?
Paperwork. They looked at this special jury form, and someone said, oh, the judge said, oh, you guys forgot to fill out something pretty crucial here because the damages page was left blank. And the attorneys had a little sidebar, and then the judge...
Guys, can I tell you something? One thing about news people, they will talk aimlessly without giving you any information. Literally for the past, like, let me say 10 minutes, they've been talking aimlessly for no reason. Like, oh, when they reach the verdict, I think he has 1 hour to get there for verdict. Suspense is killing you? Dude, let's talk about the suspense. Literally, you'd have to go back to the start of this video to like see how like I was like a hot mess. Suspense is killing me too because damn. Okay, suspense is killing me. Like they could literally read it and like, let's say Amber Heard's lost, she starts crying. There's like a whole thing, drama there. Like, who knows? But back to what you said, Penny. I'm sorry, how can he get from London to here in an hour? That's quite impossible. He would have to already be back in the country. No? Suspense. Me too. Suspense. And these news people just keep talking aimlessly. Like, we already know what's going on. They keep repeating the same thing. Anyways, let me get back to it.
A mix of media and regular people, onlookers. Is it completely packed? You know, it's not as packed as it could be, or as it has been. Like, there have been a lot of days.
Okay, I muted it. Can you guys see this? There's people actually like outside. Let me show you well. Let me bring myself closer. There's people outside the court waiting for this verdict. Like, this is how we don't like minding our business. This is how we like not minding the business that pays us, okay? Because why are these people out here? And tunes 5 a.m. in Australia. I've been staying up, LOL. This is hilarious. 5 a.m. You are dedicated. Like, this dedication, like, I'm not even that dedicated, I swear to God. If I was sleeping, actually, there's a probability I probably would have woke up. But damn, the fact that you're up is sending me. And Penny's like, right, I don't know, just something I heard. I think that that's almost impossible. Like, he cannot get here in an hour unless he's already back. Can't sleep now. Yep. Tunes FM is not going to bed. Like, and this could kind of like drag on for a while. And I don't want it to drag on for a while because I have other commitments. Okay. And you guys, I would not even have known that the verdict was being read if I did not go on YouTube. So I do have another channel. Like, it's literally attached to my channel, and I was gonna go post a video there, And because I'm obviously subscribed to the Law and Crime Network, I'm like, verdict read at 3 p.m. And literally, it was a party for me to get ready for this. So yeah. No wonder Johnny Depp didn't want to be there. Tell me why. Why do you think Johnny Depp didn't want to be there? Do you think it's because he thinks he's gonna lose? Or I feel like Johnny Depp probably has got what he wanted. Like for him, I don't think it matters anymore whether he wins or loses, because I feel like for him it was about the court of public opinion. I think that's what he cared about the most, like our opinion and the world's perception of him. Because just because you win a case does not mean the public obviously agrees with it. So yeah, anybody else have anything to say while we wait? Also, you guys, did you guys even watch yesterday's live? Because y'all better go watch that live, because that live had some good info. Y'all, I just want this to get done. Like, my heart is beating so fast. This is how much I don't mind my business. Like, but I feel like we are just so like into this case, like we've taken it a little too personal. Yeah, he already won in his eyes despite verdict. Yeah, exactly. All the people would have been crowding the court, but Jody wins in the public eye. Exactly. And I feel like even if he was not gonna win, what's that? Elaine and team made sure that he wins. And how? By literally bringing up public perception. Because think about it, if you're a juror, right, you don't have that much knowledge of the courts, the system, how does it really work? And that's why they pick you, right? Because they just want you to get the facts and that's it. But by bringing in the fact that the public actually thinks justice for Johnny, and there's no such thing as justice for Amber Heard, like I feel like there is, but just not as much. That probably plays into we're back, y'all, we're back in court. Okay, let me stop talking, we're back. Although it's muted. Okay, they need to do this so that I can stop shaking. Okay, is it? Okay, yeah, it's unmuted. Y'all, we're back. The suspense. Tunes, the suspense. The suspense is here. The suspense. Yeah, the way they're making us wait is literally like giving like just get snacks. At this point, like, oh gosh. Okay. All the people would have been crowding the court by JD. Okay, we went through that. Damn, I'm so nervous. Same. Like it's like we committed a crime and it's us waiting for
All right.
Okay. Okay. Nah, I'm too nervous. Yep, I agree. It's only been 19 minutes. I feel like I've been here for an hour already. I'm so nervous too. I feel that heavily. Yeah, the rising. Yep. Elaine looks like she's constipated. The rest of you who just came in, hi, hello. How y'all feeling? Why are you sweating? I'm gonna have a shower after this. That's so funny. Like, guys, why are we
Mr.
this
Foreperson,
into this?
is this the verdict of the jury? All right, is it unanimous? Thank you, sir. Jamie?
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition, quote, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 2, as to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3, as to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of this statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence?
Guys, the face of these three people is sending me.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million.
To who?
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. 2. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven by clear and convincing evidence that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to this statement appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
Jamie?
Members of the jury, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Juror number 10.
Yes.
Juror number 15.
Yes.
Juror number 16.
Yes.
Juror number 22.
Yes.
Juror number 27. Juror number 29.
Yes.
All right, I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial. I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
Are they done talking? Okay, so let's talk about it. Oh my God. Is it me or did nobody get $100 million and did nobody get $50 million? Did we hear the same thing? I think both of them are getting compensated. Guys, I don't know if I heard correctly or not. So just hold the verdict paper. I'll just see we can drop it to save our nerve. So they found some things yes and some things no. That deserves another wood and a final woot. So there's Amber and Jody. Yes, basically. Let me go back and see. I think they're finished.
All right.
Yeah. I think they're finished. Yeah, exactly. That's what I heard as well. Can you guys hear me? Guys, Amber Heard has left like right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. So that was basically the verdict. I didn't expect that. So Amber Heard was awarded money and so was Johnny. Do you guys remember the things that we talked about yesterday? Oh, I don't know how quickly I can pull it up. I don't know how quickly I can pull that up, to be honest. So maybe I can pull that up tonight at 7:30 or like 8. Yeah, it was definitely not fair. Better than I thought. Really? Really, Penny? I want to know your thoughts. I was thinking that it was just going to be either one of them. I thought Amber was going to be found guilty literally on everything or just not enough. Oh my God. Amber. Yeah, Amber was quite upset, but I feel like Amber should be happy with this outcome. Kind of like she was not found guilty on all counts. And if you guys remember one of the lives that we went on, we did talk about how I did not think that Johnny Depp and friends. Oh, there's a lot of you guys here. I did not think that Johnny Depp and friends were able to prove everything that they were supposed to prove. And Rex said, yeah, you know what? Let me pull that up really quickly while you guys chat. Is it weird? I want to see her cry just to see her real emotion when it comes to crying. Honestly, you're not alone in that. If you noticed, I literally
outside the courtroom where you can see these fans. As I said, every time a judgment was read in favor,
I was literally like, oh my God, that literally just threw me off. What was I saying? I forgot what the heck I was saying, but I wanted to go find. I have no idea. I literally don't remember how to go to fair. Okay, you guys give me a sec. I'm gonna like put this screen back on for a second, and then I'm gonna find that the jury instruction document, what they were evaluating. We literally talked about it yesterday, and then I guess we're gonna talk about it like for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna leave. So you guys can chat and look at this screen for a sec. And let me put this back, the volume.
This case has a lot of spin going on with it, but
my God. Can you guys even hear me? Oh yeah, so I was basically talking to myself for a second there. So I found it. It's just gonna take me a while to actually bring it up to screen. Share screen. Okay. Share. Oh my God, this is not the jury instructions. Literally, there's so much paper. Okay, there we are. Okay. That's not it again, guys. So give me a sec. I actually found it this time, so don't be upset. So yeah, do you guys remember this document that we looked at yesterday? Roxanne was like, I never want to see her face again on TV. I don't have a comment for that one because you're clearly upset. Depp wins 15 million. Headline there. Okay, I will definitely use that headline for like the shorter clips. But I didn't think Amber would win anything. But you guys wanted to know like what was being evaluated. So let me show you. These were the issues that were being looked at. So whether misheard, made, or published any of the following statements. Do any of Miss Heard's statements imply blah, 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 blah. If Mr. Depp is entitled to recover, what is the amount? So clearly the amount is 15 million, right? If I'm getting that correctly. And she got 2 million. Guys, let me know if I'm remembering this all wrong. Because it was kind of live. Yeah. So 15 million, yeah. So she got 2 million. She got some money. 2 million is a lot of money for somebody that basically did nothing. Like, you did not do anything to earn it. If Mr. Depp is entitled, your decision must be governed by the instructions. So, yeah. If you guys want this document, I'll also put it in the description below. Well, not description. Well, in the comment section after we're done, so you guys can see like how they came to this decision and what exactly they were evaluating. Any more thoughts you guys got? Like, we will go over this in depth later on tonight because I obviously have commitments. I can't sit here for any more time than this. But yeah, I'm gonna wait like 2 minutes for you guys to let me know your thoughts. And then, yeah, we can talk more about this later. Y'all see, I told y'all that Johnny Depp was not showing up. I told y'all, and he didn't show up. That man was in London, knowing very well that he probably, won. I find it funny that, what's her name? Guys, see, I even can forget her name. Amber Heard was suing for $100 million. Why? Like, what was the reason? Like, what did she do to earn that money? Like, how did you lose more money than he did? Like Penny said, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified about the next live stream, which will be tonight, probably at 8 p.m. instead of 7:30 p.m. because I kind of came earlier during the day, so you guys have like a video, and then we'll talk more about it later on. So yeah, that's all I've got to say. That's all I've got to say, and I'm shook. Pennywise expected this. I did not expect this. I expected it to be like one, like either Amber or him, not kind of it being split between. But then that's also true to kind of expect it because they were evaluating different things and they kind of had to say yes, yes, no, no to all the different things that they were evaluating rather than it just being guilty of all counts and not guilty of all counts, if you dig. But yeah, Amber seemed upset. Amber, Elaine, and Rottenborn were like upset. Like their faces during that thing got me like, this is a great day for feminism, but maybe not feministic organizations. This shows that females also got the right to be independent in the view of the public and not a victim by default. Yes. See, now let me tell y'all something. I'm not really into feminism, literally. Like, I could even ask you the question of what is feminism. Literally, that's how far removed I am from that whole thing. But definitely, I also got a comment on my channel that was talking about like the Me Too movement and how like the Me Too movement should not even be about gender, but rather than victims. And I actually agree with that sentiment because both men and women get assaulted. Both men and women are victims of crimes. Although I will always say that we have to remember women are still killed more than men are in their relationships from domestic violence. But I agree. So you guys that are here right now, don't forget that we have a live tonight at 8 p.m. and like we will like talk more, like because I'll have more time to obviously talk. And yeah, like Penny said, like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified of our next live stream at 8 p.m. And obviously this is gonna be left up so you guys can leave any more comments and thoughts that you have and we can talk about them tonight. On that note, y'all should be happy. You wanted Johnny Depp to win, so he won on almost every count. So yeah, that man's gonna start living his life, and I don't know what's next for Amber, y'all. Y'all let me know what you think's next for Amber based off her career. Like, she countersued him, so there's no way she can like sue again because I guess that countersuit, we talked about that yesterday, was to also ensure that she, well, in case she wins, like she can't be sued or something like that. So yeah, we can definitely talk about this later. And yeah, those are my thoughts. And I'll see you guys tonight. Please come. I'm going to make a community tab post so that you guys remember to come. And on that note, just leave comments and let's talk about it. Because y'all know I respond to every comment, at least if I can get to it or like if I see it. So yeah, on that note.